Hey guys, it's Zach with Aldeck, and today I'm going to be going over the encryption and secure sharing options available in Riviera-PRO. Encryption and secure sharing is an important aspect for businesses that need to protect their IP against unauthorized utilization. Different levels of IP encryption and protection are required when modules are licensed, evaluated, or transferred within departments. Riviera-PRO can deliver protected IP in two forms: encrypted source files or precompiled protected libraries. Encrypted source files are decrypted prior to preprocessing and require no additional arguments or setting adjustments to detect and compile an encrypted source. The source code encryption flow available for Riviera-PRO is compatible with VHDL and Verilog. The library protection feature available can deliver a precompiled protected library. Assigning libraries a protection level, one can control the encryption, read access of the model structure, and model refreshing. Files can be encrypted in Riviera-PRO using the Protect IP utility. Protect IP supports DES, 3DES, AES-128, AES-256, and blowfish encryption algorithms. Most commonly used cipher methods are AES-128 and AES-256. VHDL and Verilog files are encrypted by using encryption envelopes that are placed at beginning and end of sections or files that you'd like to encrypt. In files that are already encrypted, the protected code is denoted by decryption envelope directives. Entire files can be encrypted without envelopes using the EF argument with Protect IP. For VHDL encryption envelopes, they're indicated using the envelopes Protect Begin and Protect End. In the encrypted file, the decryption envelopes are indicated using Protect Begin Protected and Protect End Protected. Verilog encryption is very similar and uses pragmas to set up encryption envelopes. They are indicated using Pragma Protect Begin and Pragma Protect End. While in the decryption envelopes, they are set up as Pragma Protect Begin Protected and Pragma Protect End Protected. These are pretty general concepts for encrypting source code files. However, special caution must be taken when encrypting files with a third-party encryption tool or to be used by other tools. When using a third-party encryption service, the Aldeck public key must be properly marked. The key should be clearly labeled with the key owner name, the key name, and encryption method. The Aldeck public key can be found on the Aldeck website and also in the product help reference. Encryption tools should be able to recognize and use public keys placed directly in the source code. When encrypting a file to be used with other tools, you need to include the key for that vendor. In this same section, it is appropriate to include the key owner, name, key name, encryption method, and public key which you would obtain from that vendor. So, if we wanted to encrypt a VHDL file, we would make sure that we have encryption envelopes in our source code. Even though we are going to continue using Riviera-PRO, I will add the encryption identifiers for completeness. After we verify the envelopes are included, we can execute a macro to encrypt it. Using this command, we can indicate the file we want to encrypt, VHDL compatible protection, and the output file. If an encryption method is not defined, then it will default to AES-128 encryption. We can run our script and it produces an encrypted file that looks like the one that we have opened. Now, it is also possible to protect entire libraries within Riviera-PRO using protection levels. There are 4 levels of protection, 0 through 3, that can be used on the design libraries. By default, all libraries are at 0, which is no protection, and the maximum level, 3, which encrypts down to unit names and prevents refreshing the model. Level 1 encrypts library files and temporary files created during compilation, and Level 2 disables read access to the models. Protection levels can be set in Riviera-PRO using ACOM or ALOG with the protect argument. It can also be set in the GUI under the compilation preferences for VHDL or Verilog. When delivering protected libraries, they must be updated for each version of Riviera-PRO they will be used on. So if we go into preferences, we can set our protection level to 3 in our VHDL compilation preferences, since the library consists solely of VHDL files. We can apply these settings, and then we can go ahead and compile the design. When we initialize simulation on our design, we can see that we have limited access to the units in hierarchy denoted by a padlock symbol. Using encrypted source files doesn't require any additional adjustment of the tool or compiler. Using precompiled protected libraries requires the libraries to be mapped, which can be done using the amap command or via the libraries window. Providing comprehensive descriptions for unit instantiation and utilization is vital for delivering precompiled protected libraries. That's it for this video on encryption and secure sharing in Riviera-PRO. Thanks for watching.